5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That petitioner is aged about 64 years and hardly able to do his routine work and suffering from various diseases like diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure. He is a retired government servant and received from services on 31/10/2015 from the post of Additional Research Officer CMO Office District Hardoi, and he is getting pension from Hardoi Treasury. As such, there is no chance of his absconding away. In support of his argument for the purpose of relief as claimed learned counsel for petitioner, reliance has been placed on the judgment and order dated 6/4/2020 passed by a division bench of this court in public interest litigation PIL number 564 of 2020, which reads as under. To meet the eventualities occurred for a consequence to lockdown due to the threat of novel coronavirus COVID-19, we issued certain directions under an order dated 26th March 2020 in continuation of the directions aforesaid. It if further directed that, as per provisions of Section 29A of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, the award in the matter other than international commercial arbitration is required to be made within a period of 12 months from the date of completion of pleadings under subsection 4 of section 23. The requirement of section 29A of the Act is mandatory by nature. However, looking to the extraordinary circumstances, it is desirable to extend the period aforesaid. Accordingly, it is directed that if in any arbitral proceedings the pleadings under subsection 4 of section 23 of the Act have been completed and the period of 12 months has expired or is going to be expired on or after 25th March 2020, then the same stands extended up to 25th May 2020. It is brought to our notice that before enforcement of the lockdown, different courts in the state of Uttar Pradesh, including the High Court, have granted orders to release the accused applicants on bail, but they have not been released so far due to non-availability of sureties. Looking to impediments in arranging sureties because of lockdown, while invoking powers under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India, we deem it appropriate to order that all the accused applicants whose bail applications came to be allowed on or after 15th March 2020 but have not been released due to non-availability of sureties as a consequence to lockdown may be released on executing personal bond as ordered by the court or to the satisfaction of the jail authorities where such accused is imprisoned, provided the accused applicants undertakes to furnish required sureties within a period of 1 month from the date of his her actual release.